How to download and sign up Amazon application. Let's start. Open Play Store application. Search Amazon app. Amazon Shopping, click on it and click install. After you download your application, open it. Choose your region and language. Click done. And now click create an account. For some reason, I can't show you this registration screen. So there is a first name and last name, mobile number or email, and create a password. So just put your name, phone and password, click continue. And after continue, they send you the message. You just verify your number, your phone number or your email, and then you are ready to go. This is how can you download and sign up Amazon application. Thank you for watching. My name is Marty. If you want to support me, please subscribe and see you one click later.